Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update your operating system and install the latest drivers so the assistant has full access to audio hardware. Enable microphone permissions in system settings, then run a quick voice record test to verify input quality. Once done, choose whether to use the built-in assistant or a third-party option and download it. Make sure you have an account ready if the assistant requires sign-in. This prevents interruptions during setup. Now install or enable the assistant and grant required permissions, microphone, notifications, and background operation, so it can listen and respond reliably. Configure how you'll activate it. Select a wake word, enable a keyboard shortcut, or choose a long press gesture, then set your preferred language and regional voice. Calibrate a voice profile by repeating sample phrases so accuracy improves, and adjust sensitivity or noise filtering to reduce false triggers while keeping responsiveness high. Finish by testing the complete interaction flow. Wake the assistant, ask a command, follow up, and then close the session to confirm consistent behavior. Connect services like calendar, email, and smart home devices if needed, and review privacy settings to control what data is shared. If something fails, rerun the microphone setup, update audio drivers, and restart the assistant service or the laptop. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party audio app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.